Oh! All right, guys, we're at a new place right now. Pick up this chatterbait, try to give it a try. Some super clear water in here, a lot of grass. Oh man, there's some decent fish in here. You guys should see how crystal clear this water is. It's almost unbelievable how clear. Oh, what the dude? What the That was close, dude. Jesus, man. Is there anyone else out here? Dude, that was close. That wasn't... I don't know. That was freaking... Jesus. Oh! Hey! Holy hey! What the man? Dude, what the hey! Dude, what the Jesus Christ. Did you see how close that bullet just got? Did you see that? Oh! Holy hey! Dude, I'm getting out of here, man. It ain't worth it. What the